Construction site on Christmas night. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big project of the year, the team is slamming into gear.
So much is riding on the crew. They have a major job to do. A special building is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great.
Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day. Rawr! He pushes hard to clear the way.
For hours he powers this way and that and clears the site in no time flat. He turns away to end his shift, but in his way, a massive gift. With cable ribbon from the yard, it's topped off with a thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade, custom paint job, custom made. Merry Christmas, Bulldozer. Good night.
Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere. Scooping, chugging at full blast. Brr. He digs up the foundation fast.
Clouds roll in, a brisk wind blows. A snowflake falls right on his nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right and right on time.
As Excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone's left a big surprise. The card says thanks for all you do, and it's simply signed from our crew. Look, a shiny yellow scoop. His old one has a broken tooth. Merry Christmas, Excavator. Good night.
With whipping winds, the loads that sway, whoosh, the crane's job is tough today. But he keeps working right along, bravely lifting, firm and strong.
It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane's work is done at last. The job's all finished, one last stop. Crane puts a star on top.
But Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone's left a special gift. A Rock'em Sock'em Wrecking Ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Merry Christmas, Crane. Good night.
All grateful for this special day and helpful friend at work and play. For all that's given and received and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh. All the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night, construction site.